Hello, ESL 6A class. I am now in Atlanta, and I hope you've had a nice weekend without too much work to do. I am going to introduce and explain the homework that you will have to do this week while I am gone. Please go to your announcements page where it says coursework due 19 March 2019, Tuesday. So that's more than a week that you have to do this. You will see that there is a dictation to do. It's a long dictation. You'll have a full week to do this dictation. I think there are about 7 sentences that are part of this dictation. So you will need to spend probably the whole week working on the dictation. And then the next thing that I want you to do is a pre-chapter 3 quiz. It's worth 50 points. You can take it twice, but I don't want you to look at the book when you take this quiz. I want you just to guess the answers because it's trying to prepare you for actually reading chapter 3. So let's see how much we know without reading. It's kind of fun to do that sometimes. And then after you've taken the quiz, you will see on announcements that I want you to preview chapter 3. And after that, I want you to read chapter 3 beginning to end without looking at a dictionary. And then next, read chapter 3 and use a dictionary when you need to so that you understand all of chapter 3. That will take some work, I think. And after that, I want you to go to the questions for discussion. I've given you links to the questions for discussion, chapter 3, pages 54 to 57, and questions for discussion, chapter 3, pages 58 through 62. So I want you to look at those questions and then go through the chapter again and underline or highlight the part of the chapter that will help you understand the questions for discussion. There are 20 questions. So you're going to underline or highlight 20 places in that reading. And you can put the number of the question in the margin beside where you highlight or number. That's a good thing to do. And after you've done all of that, I want you to click on a discussion below. You'll see number 5 on the announcements page. You're going to click to a discussion. And you will write answers to 5 of the questions from the 20 questions. You're just going to write answers to 5 of them at the link that I've given you after number 5 on the announcements page. I hope you're looking at the announcements page so you can see what I'm talking about. So you will write answers to 5 of the questions of the 20. You will be told which 5 questions you will answer. Follow the directions at this link very carefully. If you have any questions, of course, message me. So you click on the link, and you will see your name under which 5 questions you must answer. And after you have done that, you'll see a reply button. And click on that reply button. And when you've done that, you can answer the 5 questions I want you to answer. You can write answers, maybe 2 or 3 sentences to answer each question. And when you finish writing answers to those 5 questions, you're going to click Post. And then suddenly you will see not only your answers, but you'll see the answers that everyone else has given too. So you'll see that you'll see everybody's answers. You'll see answers to all of the 20 questions. It's kind of a wonderful thing. And you can study these answers and see if you agree with them, etc., before coming to the next class. Again, if you have any questions, give me a message. And finally, back on the announcements page, if you want to click back to the announcements page from the discussion link, back on the announcements page, you will see number 6, a composition assignment. It's pending. I'm not going to give you this composition assignment until Friday, I think. I'm going to have you. I want you to work on chapter 3 all week. It's a lot of work to do, working with chapter 3 so that you understand it. So don't wait until the last minute. You need to spend several days working on this. Do it when you can. Do it as soon as you can. Do all of this work and make me happy. I'm working very hard all week at the conference, going to meetings and seeing teachers and looking at books and seeing what other teachers are doing online. I will post some more videos from the conference. I'll show you what I'm doing. So get to work, okay? And if you really don't understand how to participate in the discussion, I'll make a video for that. But if you're having trouble with that, you just send me a message and I'll go ahead and make a video of that. Or anything else you would like me to make a video of, I can do that. So you have a nice week and enjoy not having to go to class on Tuesday and Thursday. Aren't you excited about that? You can work in the lab. You can stay home and work. Have a good week. I'll see you next week on the 19th.